Hello everyone and welcome to CentreStack. Today I'm going to give you an overview of the dashboard from our management console. We're logged in as a tenant admin from our web portal, and we are going to go ahead and select management console. And when we select the management console, we are in the dashboard, and here's the dashboard button if you need to see it. Here we have the option to replace with file server or replace it with the cloud storage. By default, CentreStack is installed on a local server drive in the CentreStack folder. If you want, you can change the location with the file server share or replace it with the cloud storage. I'm going to go ahead and click on the option to show you. And here you could do that. I'm going to select cancel, and you could also replace it with the cloud storage. Here you see in the first block, we have the users. You have 3 users and 1 guest user. We also have the option to create users from here as well. And here we have the option to add a new user, batch create users, import users from Active Directory via VI Server Agent, import users from Active Directory, LDAP. And we also have the option to manage users. I'm going to click here, and here you see the list of users. You can manage them from here. I'm going to go ahead and select the dashboard button again. In the second block here, we have the team folders. I have 4 team folders. We have the option to create team folders from here. You could create a new team folder. You could migrate existing network share as a team folder via Server Agent, and you could convert existing file share as a team folder option here as well. We also have manage team folders option here. You could see the list of team folders that are published, and you could make changes or edit the permissions or create new team folders as well. We also have the share objects. We have 3. We have the option to manage the share objects from here. I'm going to go ahead and select the dashboard button one more time. And we have the total file size in GB 0 right now. I'm going to select the reports option. Here we have the upload reports. You could see the upload in the last 30 days, file uploads in the last week, file upload in the last 24 hours, and file upload in the last 60 minutes. We have the storage statistics here as well. You could see the overall statistic. You could see the size distribution, file type distribution, and users who have used most storage. We also have the team folders. Here you could see the published team folders and the user who it is published to with their permissions. We have the audit trace option. I'm going to go ahead and click search, and here you could see the audit trace, all the actions. We have the file change logging. I'm going to select search, and here you could see any changes made to any file by any users will be in the file change logging. Web file browser option here, which will take you into the web portal. That's the web portal. I'm going to select Management Console to go back into the dashboard from our web portal. And here we have the file upload in the last 24-hour chart here, and we have the storage usage chart here. We also have this little section here that we've added, which is called the Quick Actions, and we have the option to configure Active Directory here. You could make changes or configure the Active Directory from here. You will have the option to import network share as team folder. If you have an existing file server in the same network as the CentreStack server, you can directly attach the network share using this option. And once it is imported, all you need to do is publish it as a team folder. I'm going to go ahead and click in there. And this is how you'll do it. You'll do it from here. We also have the option to import network share that can't be accessed directly. And if you have a file server in a separate network than the CentreStack server, you can use this option. We also have create a new user option from here as well, and we have the same options as before. We have create a new team folder option. You could enter a name for the team folder, add users, and it'll be published. We have the option to attach local storage. You could edit the existing local storage or add a new local storage if you have to. And this is the overview of the dashboard for Management Console. Thank you.